We're here in Fayetteville, Arkansas, and we've been here about a month, and it's time to move on. All right, so Tara's back there. What are you doing?
Good morning.
What are you doing?
Dishes.
Fun.
I normally try to have these done, but we were so tired last night after dinner and we just went to bed.
Yeah, on our travel days, we try to get as much done as we possibly can the night before, but yeah, we did a whole lot outside, and so yeah. But yeah, we're actually heading to Oklahoma City today, a little bit outside to our hometown, to go see some family. So how you feeling about that?
We're all excited. The kids cannot wait.
Yeah.
And so talking about that, we normally travel separate. So we've started separating the kids. And today I'm actually going to take both kids so that we can just go ahead and go on to my mom's house and not have to go quite as slow as Austin goes pulling our house.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna finish doing this. Tara takes care of the inside typically, and I'm gonna go outside and sweat my.
It is. I just walked the dogs, you guys, and it is so hot and humid.
Yeah.
I'm drenched in sweat, so Austin's gonna die.
Yep. So yeah. So while Tara's inside doing all the inside stuff, I do all the outside. And I gotta tell you, it's rained like crazy here in this month, probably at least half the month, and it has made a mess. I mean, it's just flooded everything back here. I'm kind of an idiot, and I had undone this with my 3 bins that we put back here, and I forgot to close it, and so when it rained, it completely flooded those. Got about 2 hours before the 11 o'clock little time slot that most campgrounds tell you got to get out by. So yeah, we're gonna do that. My little helper came out, right? Where are we heading today?
To Oklahoma.
To Oklahoma? For what?
To see Coco and Fritzy.
To see the family, that's right. You excited? Yeah. So everything outside is done except for the hoses. Where are you at?
I'm ready for you, I think, to do the hoses.
Oh, okay, cool. Where are you going? Where's your pants at? You need to put some pants on, boy. That's a cool one, bud. You look cool there. Can you tell them what you've been doing this week with your big boy undies?
Potty training.
What? Are you a potty trained boy? I think so. I think we did it, didn't we, sis?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did. You said you were done with the water?
Yeah, are they okay with you?
Yeah. Yeah, they're probably gonna get all dirty, but it's still a muddy mess out here.
Try to get them not to if we're going in the car.
I will try to get them not dirty. Doing the hoses, I do about 2 or 3 flushes on our black tank flush. It sends the jets out. It just kind of gets all the crap and stuff off there. So about to do that. It takes about, I don't know, 5-7 minutes to fill up the tank. So it's about a 20-30 minute process to do the whole thing. Okay, well, we did it under 2 hours, I think. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
I mean, and that may sound crazy to most.
Well,
the actual like closing up the house and hitching up and everything really only took us probably 20 minutes.
Yeah.
We're pretty quick at that part, but it's just getting everything put away and
The kids play a
With the
role in
kids,
that.
yeah,
So,
so.
but yeah, so I guess I will see you in Mustang, Oklahoma.
okay.
Cool. Love you.
Love you. Where are we going?
We're going to Frisbee,
What state does Frisbee live in?
Oklahoma.
Very good. Good job, guys. Okay.
Car.
Say,
Please car. Please car.
okay, I heard you. Say bye, Arkansas.
Bye, Arkansas.
Bye, beautiful Arkansas. We will be back. So we just pulled into my mom's house. It's right here behind me. So me and the kids obviously drove today. We got here early, so Austin is still a little bit behind us pulling the house. And just a couple miles from here is where we set up our house when we stay in Mustang, Oklahoma. So I'll leave the kids here for a minute and I'll go help Austin set up the house, and then we'll come back here and probably just hang out at my mom's all evening.
We made it here to our destination here in Oklahoma. We'll be here for a couple weeks. I think Tara's on her way to help me set up, and we'll probably go get a beer or two tonight and just hang out. So yeah, it's hot here. I think it's like 98 right now. We came from 79, 80 degrees for the last month. So we are going to get set up and do our thing. So until next week, guys, peace.